Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this morph transition like you see on the screen. Start out with a cross dissolve, then right click on it, convert diffuse and cross dissolve. Then you get a little wand up here, select it to go to fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I cannot use my hands and arms. Delete the cross dissolve. Select the bottom media end. Shift space and tween. Plug it in. Go up in the inspector to interpolation. Right click on it. Modify width. Random curves. You'll see the edges are not correct. Select clamp edges and it'll fill it in. You'll see it also works on text. I have two text plus. Now I'll make the macro. Right click on a tween. Go to macro. Create macro. Give it a name. On 21, it's a little different up here. If you leave it on macro, it will lock it. If you don't want to lock it, so you can open it up in Fusion, select group. Then hit the X. We do want to save it. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Transitions. And this is where you're going to make a folder to put your preset in. If you do want to name it a little bit different, on the settings file here, or resolve will not recognize the folder. We may have to restart resolve if you cannot find it. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.